Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna make these bookmarks. So let's make. Materials requirement: a origami sheet and a multi-marker. So take origami sheet. I have taken a pink color. You can take blue, yellow or anything. So now what the first step is, fold it like a triangle. Fold it like a triangle. So I have folded like a triangle. Now what I have to do is, now I'm gonna do that this way, this to here, here to here. So let's go. So we have to do here also same. So I have folded. Now your paper will be like this, a small triangle. Okay, so now what I have to do is, so open these, it will be coming a small line here. So this will be a diamond. So take this and fold it to here. Don't fold this. Okay. So now take this and put it under here. Here also same. So our bookmark is ready. Now is the drawing part. So let's draw. So take a multi-marker or you can take a pencil, then outline with a multi-marker or black sketch pen. So I am drawing, you also draw. So I have drawn. See, if you are making this pattern, so you have to make a circle here and two small circles, then color the circle but don't color the small circles, or then here you have to draw eyebrows. So our bookmark is ready. Thank you for watching, but don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Bye.